Welcome to spacesbox.com, michaelgouldy.com, and spacesbox.com, and YouTube Space Acer. Howdy, this is Space from Spacesbox. This is instructions to install the Pi-hole network-wide ad blocking service. You go to piehole.net and you click on Install Pi-hole. Next thing you do is you connect to your Raspberry Pi. Mine's at 192.168.0.11. And we go open. We click on yes. Password is pi. And then we're logged in. To make this work, I recommend installing it through the root access. So you go in and you type your password is pi, your login is pi, your password is you do sudo password wd root. Password's changed. Next thing you do is you click on Pi, what you had saved earlier. You click on Load. You click on Open. You type in Pi, then the password for Pi. Then you type SU hyphen. Type the password in for root, then you're at root. Next thing you go is you go back here, you copy curl -ssl bash all this, and you paste it, and then you push enter, and it installs the rest of the Pi-hole, and everything works because it has root access. And it goes through and downloads the necessary files. I'm going to let this play out and record it all. If you want to, you can fast forward it through to the end. Thanks for visiting my pages and checking out my videos, and I appreciate you coming to my website. My website is www.spacesbox.com, or you can go to michaelgouldy.com. and see this video live. Now it's checked the disk space. It's now did the update. It's checking for dependencies. It's getting the files. Now it's going through the install of the files. And realize this is on a Raspberry Pi 0. Now if you have Raspberry Pi 2, 3, or 4, it'll be a lot faster than this. Now you click on OK. You can donate to Pi-hole Donate if you want to, because they did a free update. Make sure this is set to a static IP address, or you can set it to an IP address on your Wi-Fi network, and if you're using the Pi 0, and tell your router not to change its IP address by saving its settings. Our DNS provider is Google. We want to go through and block all ads. Click on Enter OK, IP4 and IP6, and then Tab, and then OK. You select your IP address of your Pi. You click OK. You put your gateway, that's your router. You click on Yes. Click on OK. Web interface is on. You click OK. Server, OK. Select OK. Show everything, OK. Next, it will install some more packages for the web interface and for the other things. If you have speedy internet, it shouldn't take too long. This goes off the Wi-Fi. You can use the Raspberry Pi 2, 3, and 4 and be on the network physical Ethernet jack. Do the same exact process, but just do it on the Ethernet. Now it's installing all the files that it needs to run the server, what does the ad blocking plus the PHP to make it where you can view your websites. You can add or minus block to the machine. Then just let it run the install. The next thing it will ask you is the password for the web interface. But that's not yet. It's still doing the install. This is on a Pi 0. It's a little bit slower than on a Pi 3 or 4 or 2. You can also install this on a Linux distro, your choice, just following the same exact instructions. It should work. As long as it's supported, and look at the page and make sure it's supported. It's writing to a little SD card. That's why it's so slow. Also, if you have a faster SD card, it does improve the speed. The one comes with the kit is the one we're currently using. It continues installing. It enables all the services to start a reboot. You can also make a dedicated SD card for just ad blocking and load it when you want to do ad blocking, then load a different SD card when you want to do emulation or something else. Okay. Now it says configure your device to use Pi-hole in their DNS server. You put the IP address 192.168.0.11. Your admin password is (01) dash TX UGB. Yours will be different, but write it down. Click OK. Now it's complete. Next thing you type is reboot. And the Pi will reboot. Next thing we do is we go into our settings, Control, Settings, Network and Internet Settings. We go to Ethernet, or if we're on Wi-Fi, we click on Wi-Fi. We click on Change Adapter Options. We select our Ethernet jack. We put Properties. We go down to where it says IP4. We do Properties. And we use the following DNS server address, 192.168.0.11. That will be whatever you choose it to be. And click OK. Then click Close. And close. Close. You open Pi again, load it, open. OK, Pi is up. And you're ready to see. If you go to websites, you'll see a lot less ads because it's now blocked. And you'll see that there's no ads. Anyway, that's it. If you need any other questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll answer your questions the best I can. You can also install it through the clone repository by doing the clone repository. You can also manually wget the basic install and do it through that install. I just showed you the curl SSL HP install Pi-hole.bash install. Thank you for watching this. Hope you have a great day and enjoy your ad blocked Pi-hole.